Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 19th, 2018, and the US stock market is closed. Hey, we had a little pullback today on our equity, nothing uh, too extreme or nothing to worry about. The Dow had a fairly good pullback. It lost 396 points, and I'm showing the long-term chart here, so you can see where we are. This was the close of today over here, and this is what I'm calling the low of the correction, bottom of the correction. So, it's not a real comfortable place to be here, but at the same time, I was pleased that we didn't take out this low of 2 days ago, and we are still not in a position to be real threatening of this low, but it could happen. We would like to see this pop out of here, take this out here, and keep going. That's what I'd like to see, but I don't know right now. It just looks like the Dow is very undecided, but it's sagging, and I don't like the sag. Okay. Okay. Today we came in with 5 positions. We closed those out with a negative loss of $1,800, and we ended up. Oh God, I didn't write it down. I think we got in about 4 positions today, and we're carrying negative $711 on those positions. So, negative 1,800 on closed out, negative 700 in terms of what we're carrying. That's not going to break us. I did do spreadsheets, and unbelievably, and because of those 2 really good days we had last week, we are actually up a couple $1,000s for the month. That's absolutely amazing. I mean, we had no winning days at all for the first 2 weeks. I mean, it was just really, really bad. But we had 2 really good days last week, and that popped us out of the red, at least temporarily. We'll see what's going to happen. I'll show you a couple of the trades here. This first one, this is the hair pulling trade. This is you guys inverse, or no, the natural gas bull, and we this thing always makes you pull out your hair. We got into this today about looks like the beginning of the 3rd hour, and when it was up here, and I got a screenshot of this on the website, we were up over $6,000 with natural gas, and then it sells off and goes down a little. So we're actually holding about negative $1,500 on the trade as it stands. And when I looked, it's down a little more in the aftermarket, but it isn't with natural gas. The aftermarket isn't as important as the pre-market tomorrow. This thing will always gap overnight, so let's hope the gap's in our favor. We don't know right now what's it going to be, but that was a little bit disappointing today. Then I have one good stock I'll show you today, and this is SOX, which is the semiconductor bear, and that goes up when semiconductor stuff goes down, and of course today was a pretty bearish day overall in the market. So we made some money here. We bought this 2nd hour. It went against us at first, but then it got some steam here and actually ended up closing almost on its high. And we're up a little over $2,000 with socks. So that looks real good. Anyway, not a real exciting day, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow on Tuesday.